Hey there, in this video I'm going to show you how you can possibly fix the issue with your Sol A7 error. Maybe it's going to be completely useless, so I'm sorry for that. So there was this command is that your motor control is failing due to high belt and deck friction. You can try to lubricate the belt and deck, but you want to be sure not to spend any money on parts without properly diagnosing the condition of the belt and the deck. So this is the first thing. And then here's the same example. It's a high-pitched whining noise, failed motor controller. So this was the issue. And now when you're gonna look here on this blog post, you can select a couple of later some issue, but the screw pit was not one of the power. Upon further investigation, I found that the main 12 VDC relay was not actuating properly, and this was the replacement part. And then removing the code and testing found no issue with the relay. Examining the board with thermal camera showed Q100 was heating when the motor was tried to turn on before faulting. I replaced the NPN transistor with this from Onsemi, and the terminal has been working properly ever since. So this is something, right? And then these were the pictures there. I will link you the link down below in the description that you can follow this, and maybe it's going to help you. Goodbye.